Yeah, letting this fucking beard grow and shit. Need some fucking water or something. Hey! Like somebody in this fucking house. You remember your parents to call your ass? Yeah. For you to fucking change your motherfucking channel. More control, man. You mean at a point at one time in life where I tell you more control, you call your kid in there and change the channel and shit, and they stand right there, they be the fucking antenna, the remote control, all that shit. But nowadays they got fucking remote controls, man. You lazy ass. Just lazy. You sure that fucking lazy? Mad at a man who left you all them kids and shit, or men's who left them kids, and now you like that? Shit, get your fat ass up and get the fucking. Damn, all you gotta do is roll over, man. Oh, you know what I mean? Shit, god damn. You can't.